Welcome to Ari and Sandra's show. Today we'll be making chicken tenders. This is a shake and bake. We are going to.
This is the you're gonna roll the chicken in here
In the ranch, and then we're gonna put it on a tray with tinfoil. Hope you enjoy the show.
We have your basic thin sliced breast fillet chicken. I will be taking them out of the package here. And I'm going to slice these into thinner slices.
This would not be pretty, but we'll try. He's not really a professional.
So I'm gonna slice these up, and I'm gonna have you guys dip them into the buttermilk.
You gotta hold this.
Bread.
That's not pretty.
It's not?
No.
Looks pretty to me.
Well, if you could see here, he's
Very-
cutting it very not good.
And very tiny.
Maybe they'll cook faster if they're smaller. How about that? That sounds like a good theory?
Yeah.
No.
What's the mantra?
Keep things clean.
You know, I came today to chew bubble gum and kick some butt. And I'm all out of bubble gum.
Why?
Why?
Because you ate it all?
I guess that wasn't very intimidating, huh? All right, let me wash my hands.
You can get the joke. Whatever you were trying to do.
What do we have here? Shake and bake. Okay, breadcrumbs.
Pour this in. Mix it. Now we're spreading it a little.
Now we're going to be putting some aluminum foil on these pans here. Okay, we're about to put our ranch dressing into our bowls, and we each have our tongs that we're holding and we're going to use to pick up our chicken with. Right, ladies?
Yep.
All right. So I'm going to start putting some ranch in here.
Let me do
Put it in liberally.
That should be good.
If we need more, we can always put more in. All right, now I'm going to I'm going to put the chicken in between you two. All right, you dip it into the ranch, and then you dip it in your bread
Make sure
crumbs.
you turn it over.
Okay, good.
Not too much.
Okay.
Just like this.
All right.
Then you're just gonna take it in here and turn it over.
Uh-huh.
Make it a little gross.
And then you put it on your tray, your aluminum foil covered tray.
Yes.
And we move on to the next one.
See, I'm still working on it.
Yes, notice the technique over here that we're using.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
It is very simple.
It's very simple.
Sometimes some things will be easy and some simple. Sometimes they'll be very, very, you're going to have to watch very closely.
Okay. Good presentation, laying it out there. We're moving on to the next one now. If we run out, we have a little bit of this here, which I'll just lay down just in case we need some extra breadcrumbs. So we have your basic shake and bake and your Progresso breadcrumbs. Okay, so we are running out of breadcrumbs there, so we're going to move over to this kind. I'm going to put it into a bowl. Okay.
It might taste a little different.
Well, okay, however you want to try it. And I don't think it's going to stick as well. I could be wrong, though.
Because too much is kind of bad.
Okay,
sometimes.
well, this is kind of an experiment. All right, I think we're down to the last two pieces. Okay, now we are going to go wash our hands and move on to the next step. We will do that over at the sink over here with some soap.
Soap right here. Just sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
All right, so now we have washed our hands, right? And we are going to be placing our chicken tender trays into the oven, which we have set for how many degrees?
400 degrees.
400 degrees.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Hey, that was mine.
Oh, okay.
I'm scared.
Yeah, like that. Careful with your knee, you're touching hot. Okay, all right, can you fit yours in there? Watch your leg that you don't touch the hot door. Okay, let's close the oven. And now we have to wait
For like
45 minutes.
that,
So we will set this for 45 minutes.
I'm just trying a little bit.
Can you read the back of the box? Does it say 45 minutes?
This says
Step 3.
for 40 to 45 minutes.
40 to 45 minutes. Okay, well, we'll do 45 minutes and maybe we'll check it before that time is up. All right, we'll be back.
Hi, welcome back. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And now our chicken is ready.
I think our chicken is ready. Let's open it up and take a look.
Whose is this one?
Mine.
This is Sandra's. I'll put this over here. And Ari's. Ooh, yeah, look how that looks.
We're gonna share some.
Yeah, that'd be fine too. Okay, now we have our, how's it look, ladies?
Oh, mine doesn't look that.
Well, maybe it tastes
Mine's
great.
kind of burned. There we go.
Looks good. Yours looks good.
We should have sprayed it with that butter stuff, huh?
Yeah, looks like it.
I know.
Your turn.
All right.
It may look burnt, but we'll see what happens when we taste it.
Okay.
If we like it, we'll say, yum.
All right.
If we hate it, we'll say, oh my gosh, why did we make this?
Bon appetit.
A bon appetit or a bony appetites.
Okay. And let's try.
Don't show up. Are you hungry?
Chicken
Cheers. And thank you for watching the Ari and Sandra show. Bye.